go into aisle 80, world's largest truck stop. See where Tasha went to. I believe she went straight to the food court. Since we can't open the doors, we can put the camera up to it. How about it? And it's a pretty nice, and it's actually real large truck stop here. We got the food court. Looks like the game room over there. Let's walk over to it. Look at that extra large Pac-Man. And we got the food court. Wendy's, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, DQ, and I haven't seen Tasha, so I don't know where she darted off to. Coffees and bagels. And we're, like I said, I don't know how this is going to go with the music playing. It's not as loud right here. Check that out. If I didn't get a side shot of it. There she is. Say hi.
I want a sweatshirt.
Okay.
Look at those shoes.
I know. The Bass Crocs. All right. Are you gonna wait at the food island? All right. We're gonna keep going, and music's getting louder. We're just gonna head on down to the truck accessories and the showroom. We've got the Army Jeep. Oh, we missed that on the short. We'll get it. We'll get it when we go upstairs. How about it? And we got a diner. Aisle 80 kitchen. Which the buffet is not open, but it's a nice looking place. Alright. Oh, check out the apparel. Let's go upstairs. We'll see about doing this whole video without a break. How about it? We'll just keep it rolling. Dentist, did you see that? Alright, let's see what this thing looks like from the side. Oh, look at that. We've got the showers back there. Oh, and the theater too. Let's step back here. Theater. We have no tickets, so we can't go in. It's locked. Let's see if this one's locked. It was locked. Anyway. So I guess we get this little theater for now. Showers. And look at that. No. Yep. Keeping the noise going in case you want to. Barbershop. Laundry. Let's go. Hello. Let's go this way. And that looks like a workout room. And yeah. The music's probably gonna kill the monetization for this. It's alright though. We can do it without monetizing. And we got all kinds of trucking accessories down here, from horns to beds to driver seats, the bumpers, you name it, they got it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off this video. Appreciate you guys watching. If you hadn't smashed that like button by now, go ahead and do it. If you hadn't subscribed, do that too. Let's go find Tasha and grab something to eat.